Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you send files between mobile and desktop using LocalSend. So first thing you must understand is first on the Windows, go to localsend.org and this will be their official page. And now from here guys, you can just simply select download over here right away and you will have here multiple sources. And for this video, I'm going to go for Windows. I should be able to see here exe. So here on the exe, it will be downloaded and select a location. And now just simply run the application and make sure to install this app into your Windows. I will have a video of that on our channel, so make sure to check that out. I have a tutorial on how to download this app over here. Now let's go to our mobile. Now guys, once you have installed it, you can just simply open the app and make sure you are on the receive tab over here. Now with that said, let's go to our mobile. So here on the mobile, go to the Google Play Store into your device and just simply search for LocalSend. And now make sure to download this application as well into your phone. Now, just simply open the application. And from here, right away, you should be able to see here receive and send. So I will be sending a file to my computer. So I'm going to go for send. And as you can see, we have our computer over here. So first, you must send a file or a media. So for now, I will go ahead and select a media. And from here, it will ask you a permission. You just simply select allow. Here, I will be uploading our logo, for example, and click on confirm. Now I could add another one. I'm gonna go for media again. So you could select any of these over here, but I want to go for media and I will be sending our mobile background. And from here, once you have uploaded everything, you just simply select your Windows over here down below. And now from here guys, and now here on our PC, you will have something like this. Wants you to send two files and select accept over here. And we should have the files that we just sent over here. And you should be able to see the location over here as well. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.